Today, we're going to talk about a topic that might be holding you back from reaching your financial goals. If you've ever wondered why you're not as wealthy as you'd like to be, well, we might have the answer for you. So grab a pen and paper, because you'll want to take notes on this one. One major mistake that could be holding you back from becoming rich is not investing in yourself. You see, many people focus on investing in stocks, real estate, or other assets, but they forget to invest in the most important asset of all, themselves. Investing in yourself means continuously learning, growing, and improving your skills. It means taking courses, attending workshops, reading books, and surrounding yourself with people who challenge and inspire you. By investing in yourself, you're increasing your value in the marketplace, which can lead to higher earning potential and ultimately wealth. Think about it. The wealthiest and most successful people in the world didn't get to where they are by staying stagnant. They invested in themselves and their personal growth, which enabled them to create the life of their dreams. So if you want to get rich, start by investing in yourself. Take that online course you've been eyeing, join that mastermind group, or hire a coach to help you reach your goals. Remember, you are your most valuable asset, so don't neglect to invest in yourself. There you have it. The number one mistake that could be keeping you from getting rich. By investing in yourself and prioritizing your personal growth, you'll be on the path to financial success. So, what are you waiting for? Start investing in yourself today and watch your wealth grow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.